potentially problematic. When's the last time you had your breath?
You know, if you're interested in plants, I'm better off with Goshawk Dyke and Harmonium. You know, there's a wizard in Nepal who's growing.
No offense, but I really don't care about plants. Not if there's a Tibet turnip that will allow me to breathe underwater.
It's a saltwater, but
Telling me this now? You must be joking.
I just wanted to help.
Welcome to the Senate. Something was stolen from each of our champions. A treasure of sorts. These 4 treasures, one for each champion, now lie on the bottom of the flat plate. In order to win, each champion need only find their treasure and return to the surface. Simple enough. Except for this, they will have but 1 hour to do so, and 1 hour only. After that, it'll be on their own.
What's the matter with him? I don't know, I can't see him. Oh my god! I've killed Harry Potter!
determination to rescue not only Mr. Weasley, but the others as well. Leaving... Let's get them back.
C'est fini, viens de saved her even though she wasn't used to save. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Thank you. You helped. Gabrielle, viens. Hurry.
Hermione, ow!
Are you right? Are you freezing? Fern had got past the Grady Lows.
Mr. Dean! He said the name command of the Bubblehead Charm. However, seeing as Mr. Potter would have finished first, had it not been for his outstanding moral fiber.
Darling, everything goes wrong, it turns out what? Now, I've done my fibre.
Congratulations, Potter. Fine achievement. Well done, boy.
See you, Hagrid, Harry.
I'm sorry we haven't spoken. After all, your story is one I've heard so many times. Quite remarkable. Tragic, of course. To lose one's family. Never whole again. And here we stand. I'm sure your parents would be very proud of you.